Okay, so in this video, what I'm going to talk you through is how to read and carry out the tempo. They're going to be slightly different. You're going to read it in the same way, but it's going to be carried out slightly different depending on if you're doing like a pushing movement or a pulling movement, okay? So the squat will be classified as a pushing movement, and Lauren's going to demonstrate a 1-1-X1 tempo, okay? So you'll see this on the screen now. So the way you're going to read it is it's going to be 4 bits of the movement. So the first number is going to be the lowering portion, so 1 second down, so 1 second down. The second digit is going to be the bit in the bottom of the movement, so it'll be 1 second in the bottom. So the third digit, so X, is going to be the standing tall, which means as fast as possible. And then the last digit is going to be the moment in the top of the movement, all right? So we're going to do a couple of reps at 1-1-X1, all right? So 1 second down, 1 second in the bottom, up nice and fast, and 1 second in the top. Good stuff. All right, one more. Sweet, and pause, right? So we'll kind of exaggerate it a little bit now to make it a little bit more obvious. So we're going to go 1 second down, 3 second pause in the bottom, X up nice and fast, and 3 seconds in the top, all right? So 1, 3, 2, 1, X, 3, 2, 1, and then 1 second down, 3, 2, 1, X up, and 3, 2, 1. Good stuff, you can relax. So that's how you would read it and carry it out with a pushing movement, all right? So the first digit is always the lowering bit. This is where it can get a little bit confusing. So next up, we're going to do a bent over row. So Lauren, if you get into position. So with the bent over row, naturally the first bit of the movement you're going to do is the pulling movement, all right? So pull up. But when you read the tempo, we're starting off from the lowering bit. So it's going to be this bit. So if we go 1-1-X1 on this one, so 1 second down, 1 in the bottom, X fast, 1 in the top. Good stuff. That's it. So give us a couple more. Good stuff. So 1 second down, X in the bottom, or sorry, 1 in the bottom, X up fast, 1 in the top. There we go. So you'll always read the first digit as the lowering bit of the movement. Okay. So we're going to exaggerate it again now. So go back into the movement. Good stuff. So up to the top and hold. Okay, so now we're going to go 1-3-X3, okay? So 1 second down, 3, 2, 1 fast, 3, 2, 1, 1 second down, 3, 2, 1 fast, 1, 2, 3. Good stuff. Excellent. So that's how you would read and carry out the tempo in a pushing and a pulling movement.